Making progress. Harnessing feedback for better English conversations. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on using feedback for English language improvement. We're going to learn how to leverage feedback from different sources like teachers, peers, and even ourselves to identify areas for improvement in our conversational English skills. Remember, feedback is a gift that helps us grow, so let's learn how to use it effectively. Firstly, we need to understand what feedback is. Feedback is a reaction or response to something that we've done or produced. In our case, it's about our English conversational abilities. Feedback can be positive, highlighting what we're doing well, or it can point out areas where we might need to work on. Both types of feedback are beneficial and essential for our growth as language learners. Teachers are usually our first source of feedback. They have the training and experience to accurately assess our language skills and provide clear, constructive feedback. To make the most out of teachers' feedback, listen attentively, take notes, and don't hesitate to ask for clarification if you don't understand something. Remember, teachers want to help you improve. Peers, or our classmates and friends, can also provide valuable feedback. As they are learning too, they might notice common mistakes or have insights that a teacher might not point out. Peer feedback is typically less formal and can often occur during everyday conversations. It's crucial to be open-minded and receptive, but also discerning, as peer feedback might not always be as accurate as teacher feedback. Last but not least, we have self-assessment. This involves evaluating our language skills ourselves. You can do this by recording your spoken English and listening to it, identifying any errors or areas you find difficult. Be honest with yourself, but also be patient and kind. Learning a language takes time, and every mistake is an opportunity to learn. Once we've gathered all this feedback, what do we do with it? Well, the next step is to act on it. Prioritize the areas that need the most improvement, and set clear, achievable goals. Then, practice, practice, practice. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Celebrate your improvements, no matter how small, and keep refining your skills. And that's it, folks. That's how we can use feedback from teachers, peers, and self-assessment to identify areas for improvement in our conversational English skills. I hope this lesson has been helpful. Let's remember that feedback is not criticism, but a stepping stone on our path to mastering English. Keep practicing, stay open to feedback, and you'll see your language skills improve in no time. See you in the next lesson.